to adjust the angle of the stabilizer according to this diagram.
All right, let's get the crane operator on standby.
The structural integrity here is critical. Double check the heat settings.
Confirmed. Running within parameters.
Internal diagnostics are showing green.
We are clear of the stands. Continuing the ascent to Bay 4.
Copy. Ascent approved. Maintain current speed.
According to the schematic, this component should be green tagged.
It is, but let's double check the wiring harness insulation.
The gauge reads 2.50 millimeters here.
Confirmed. The surface roughness is also consistent with the AL 6061 standard.
The machine is applying maximum force now. The curvature looks good, right within the tolerance levels for the aircraft specifications.
We need to adjust the angle slightly before it locks in.
Okay, signaling the operator for a minor shift. Alignment looks good on the laser grid.
Torquing the final rivet now. Check the seal.
Perfect surface tension. Moving to the next section.
We need to adjust the forward mount by 10 millimeters.
Confirmed. Adjusting now. Stand by for coupling.
Check the pressure reading on the tablet right here.
It's within the expected parameters, but let's double check the connection.
Aligning section 4. Check the torque on the lower fasteners.
Reading green on all metrics. Proceed.
Acknowledged. Section 5 holding steady.
Copy that. Proceeding to waypoint 3.
Easy now, slow the descent rate. We are approaching the forward alignment pin. The data stream shows green across the board.
And the physical alignment matches the blueprint exactly.
A millimeter lower. Check alignment on the left pylon.
Clear on the left. Hold position.
Watch the clearance on the starboard side.
It's aligned.
Securing the mounts now.
Make sure that bundle is secured before we connect.
I've got the clamp tight, ready for the torque wrench.
Cable connected on port 4.
Running diagnostics now. Looks good. All indicators green.
Lift it higher on your side. Okay, bringing it up now. Watch the clearance.
All systems check out green on the diagnostic.
Affirmative.
Securing the access panel now.
Structural point 4902 shows a minor surface anomaly.
Let's run the UT probe over it again to be sure.